Hey YouTube fam, what's good and what's poppin'? It's Bill back in the house. I hope you have a beautiful beginning of 2019 of becoming better you. It's not like new year, new me. That ish doesn't work anymore. Make 2019 your year where you can achieve your goal list, which you probably didn't make it in 2018. So I personally have a lot of ish which I didn't accomplish back in 2018. So let's help each other out. For those who are new to my channel and have clicked this video by accident or something, well, are new in luck because you get to know the most awesomest person ever live on earth. Welcome to the Rocham Sangno. What is Sangno? You probably may ask. Sangno means family in Jerai language. What is that? Please don't ask too much questions. Be nice to me. So basically my channel will be DIY fun stuff, and I'm gonna be doing a fashion haul and also randomly great stuff which you will see in the future videos, so don't miss out. I wish to gain your support and love because without you guys I wouldn't be here, so yeah. Today's videos will be showing you step by step on how to make this stylish crop sweater or just sweater. I don't know what to name it, so fam, help me out by commenting the name down below in the comment sections on what name should I name this ish. It's really simple and easy to make. It's not difficult if you were to thinking of making one yourself. I personally really like how this sweater feels so comfortable to wear, and it's not too loose or too tight. It's just a perfect fitting. If you want to know how to create this little magic, then stick around and let's go to the real deal. So to start it off, we are going to measure our body measurements for fitting. It's important to do this step because your garment won't be too baggy or too tight when wearing them on. You can either make your sweater long or short. For me, I'm obsessed with crop top with long sleeves. Yes girl, it's in the house. So anyway, we are gonna measure our waist, bust, and arm length, and also our side length, which shown in the video. I normally make my pattern using pencil by freehand drawn and a ruler, but it's an optional in this one. If you have similar garment, then you can trace it onto your pattern paper. This gonna take practice to get it right, but if your drawing is not straight in line, it's okay. Just be patient and you'll get there. So the layout of pattern making is like a square, for example. You're gonna draw your pattern piece and put in outlines, details, where they're gonna be unfolded notches to match up with the back piece of garment, which make it so much easier when you go to cutting. On the front piece, we're gonna draw an outline as shown in the video. And here is what our front piece will look like. You will have your unfolded line label and how many pieces to cut in garment, and also you can see the notches visible by the arm length. Now we're gonna cut our front piece, and then we're gonna place it onto the back pattern paper so we can trace the outline and match notches, and also we can put details as shown in the video. This is what your pattern outline should look like. Now we're gonna place our front piece into another pattern paper to make the back piece patterned. And notice that I overdrawn the neckline by 1 inch-ish. And doing this way, the neck curve won't be too big when wearing them on when garments is finished. And make sure you place your pins to secure the pattern. This is what the front piece and the back piece will look like. And for the back piece, we're gonna put 2 when cutting onto fabric later on, if that makes sense. Now moving on to the next step, which is to place your front pattern onto your fabric. This is the fun part, guys. So we're gonna fold our fabric right side together and place the front piece unfolded. Hear ye, thou shalt not cut your garment unfolded, or else death shall be upon them. Just kidding, guys. What I meant by death is that you will ruin your garment, so be careful. And also place pins to secure the pattern. And then you will cut them as shown in the video. And voila, guys! This is what your front piece will look like. Yay! Okay, now moving on to our back piece. We are gonna do the same process for the front pattern, but in this step, you will cut 2 pieces of fabric, not unfolded side, by the way, not unfolded side, because before I used to cut unfolded side back in high school. So lesson learned. You're gonna place pins to secure the fabric and pattern together as shown. Now on this step, the front piece is on the bottom and the back piece is on top, and you're gonna match the notches together. Both front and back pieces are facing right side together, and place your pins to keep the fabric stay in place. And when the fabric is happy together, meaning seam allowance are matched up and you are happy and everything is well, so thank you. Next. Then you're gonna go for sewing. Ooh, finally, yes! And as for the guidelines, it's gonna be 1 centimeter seam allowance. Okay, next step is to measure how long the neckline will be by using your measurement. We should have provided everything in beginning while making pattern pieces, but I like to make my life 10 times worse, which is all good. And so as for the neck collar or whatever it called, the length will be how long your neckline is, and as for the width, it's gonna be 8 centimeter. And then after you've done all your measurements, you're gonna fold your fabric outside together as shown in the video, and then you're gonna use your iron for a nice pressing. I nailed it before I used to say ironed. Next step, you will attach the neck collar to your garment as shown in the video, and notice how I place my collar seam allowance on wrong side, if that makes sense. because in this way, when you wear the garment, the seam allowing won't be noticeable. So it's better be safe than sorry, honey. And as always, use pins to keep your fabric stay in place, and then you are going for sewing by using 1 cm seam allowance. Here, I'm trying on the garment for fitting adjustment. And as always, use your pins to satisfy your need. Oh God, have mercy. I'm lost for words, guys. But you get what I mean, right? After your fitting adjustment, we are going to sew the back seam together as shown in the video, love. Hey guys, we are almost there, finally! So the final step is to hem the bottom seam and also the hand seam. I don't know if this is appropriate term to use, but you get what I mean, right? If not, then comment down your concerns on the comment section below so we can have a community discussions, because you know what they say, 2 brains is better than 1. Anyway, as for the hem measurement, it's gonna be 2 cm approx for both bottom seam and hand seam. Use pins as always and then iron them. And then you're gonna go to your sewing machine by using 1.5 cm guideline. To end this video, I would like to say thank you so much for taking your time to watch my DIY, and I hope it's helpful. If you haven't subscribed yet, please do so and smash the like button if you enjoyed this video, and also leave a comment down below cause you know why not. And yeah, stay blessed and be creative. Bye.